All right. Well, welcome to this escape room. You have one job, and that's to escape. So essentially you do this by solving a problem or completing a puzzle, which will allow you to get out of the room. And throughout the room, there are various hints and clues that you can solve to complete this problem. So I'll be your moderator today, and I'll help guide you through the escape room. And please ask me if you have any questions.
All right, so I can interact with anything in this room, right?
You can interact with anything in the room that you want, and I'll help you. I'll describe it as you're interacting. So to begin with, let me set the scene. As you see here on the screen, you have the following room and you're stuck. So, oh no, you took a wrong turn as you're trying to find the janitor's closet. And now you're stuck in a space between reality. Fortunately, there appears to be an exit in front of you, but the tunnel's entrance slopes down steeply, and there seems to be a stone block preventing passage. Now you're welcome to try and explore any aspect of this room and look at how you might be able to escape.
All right, thanks. Is there anything behind me?
Behind you is just the wall.
I see. So the stone block, can I try like tugging it out of the way?
You try and move the block, but it's just too heavy.
Is there anything I'm currently holding?
You only have your empty hands.
I see. Can I try to punch the stone?
You punch the stone and your fist hurts, but the stone is unharmed.
Can I try to push the stone in?
You push the stone, but it's a little bit too heavy. Maybe if there's something you could use to help you.
I see. Can I look at the table and those
Yes.
3 flasks?
Yeah, of course. You look at the table and you see the following image. So looking closely at these 3 jars, you see that they're labeled with pH values. And what the pH value is it indicates whether a solution is acidic or if it's basic. If it has a low pH value, lower than 7, it is acidic. But if it's a higher pH value, so higher than 7, it's a basic solution. So when you look closely at the door, you see that it's made out of limestone or calcium carbonate. Remembering back to your science classes, you know that calcium carbonate reacts with hydrogen ions in acidic solutions and dissolves. Can you use any of this information to help escape?
I see. So jar A has a pH of 7, jar B has a pH of 3, and jar C has a pH of 11. If it has a higher pH, if it has a pH greater than 7, it is basic, so it wouldn't dissolve calcium carbonate. And a pH of 7 is about as neutral as water. Can I use jar B to pour onto the limestone?
Okay, you pour jar B on the limestone barrier, and you see it start to dissolve enough that you're able to push it out of the way, and you have successfully completed the challenge and escaped this room. So this is an example of a common task with clues that you might encounter within an escape room. You have to use your creativity and the materials provided to complete the challenge and hopefully escape in enough time.